Okay guys, 2024 Hyundai Palisade XRT. It's their off-road package, all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, front end damage. Mostly all right through here. I believe there was a little suspension on there. Everything looks as it should. Personally got underneath it, checked it out. Everything looks good underneath, no leaks. Sunroof. So, wireless phone charging, smart key, heated seats. 16,624 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. .360 camera. It's got your navigation. These are all your off-road packages. Has a locking differential, downhill descent.